पाकिस्तान को धो डाला है। एफएटीएफ की ग्रे लिस्ट में पाकिस्तान को वापस लाना ही होगा, असदुद्दीन ओवैसी का बयान। आतंकवादियों की भर्ती बंद नहीं कर रहा है पाकिस्तान। पाकिस्तान कह रहा था कि साजिद मीर मर चुका है। ओवैसी का बयान, पाकिस्तान में मरे हुए लोग जिंदा भी हो सकते हैं क्या? ओवैसी ने यह बात भी सामने रखी और ओवैसी लगातार पाकिस्तान को लपेटे में ले रहे हैं।
And you are from Kuwait. In 2024, Kuwait has done the structuring in a more better way. That example also we have given. So we hope that Pakistan would be brought in FATF grey list, and this is very important. Otherwise, this whole Pakistan is not stopping recruitment of terrorists. Pakistan is not allowing this money to be used. And thirdly, the impact of FATF was this. In 2019 or 18, if you check the last meeting about grey list in Germany, it was held. Before that meeting, Pakistan was saying Sajid Mir is dead. Now, for people who don't know, Sajid Mir was one of the main conspirators, planners of the 26/11 ghastly terrorist attack which took place in Mumbai. In fact, Sajid Mir was the one who told that Dawood to change his name to David Headley. So, till that time, Pakistan was saying he's dead. But immediately when the FATF meeting was being held, Pakistan came and said he's alive, and our courts have given him a sentence also. So, in Pakistan, people can be dead, people can be alive also. That is how that whole system works over there. So it is very important that now IMF has placed a lot of conditionalities, but we believe it is not enough. They have to be brought back into FATF grey list, and for that the GCC, because Kuwait has a Secretary General GCC, they will have to play a very important role in helping India in getting back Pakistan into the FATF grey list.
Thank you.
उधर असदुद्दीन ओवैसी ने पाकिस्तानी आर्मी चीफ को जोकर बताया। नकल के लिए अक्ल चाहिए, इनके पास वो भी नहीं है। असदुद्दीन ओवैसी ने जमकर पाकिस्तान को धो डाला। फेक फोटो दिखाकर जीत का झूठा दावा कर रहे हैं। मुनीर ने 2019 में चीनी सैन्य अभ्यास वाली तस्वीर शहबाज को दे दी और उसके बाद दावे करने भी शुरू कर दिए।
I'm telling you something, fact about the fact. I think it was yesterday the Pakistani army chief had gifted a photo to the Pakistani Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif. President of Pakistan was there, the Speaker of National Assembly was there. And these stupid jokers, they want to compete with India. They had given a photograph of a 2019 Chinese army drill, claiming it's a victory over India. Now this is what Pakistan indulges in. They cannot even give a proper photograph. तो हम बचपने में हम स्कूल में सुनते थे कि अक्सर स्कूल में क्या होता था कि हम अच्छे पढ़ने वाले बच्चे के बाजू पे बैठता था। तो नकल करने के लिए अकल भी चाहिए, इन नालायकों को अकल भी नहीं है। So you just imagine that your own country's Prime Minister, President, Speaker of National Assembly is there, your so-called Mr. Field Marshal is there, and the Field Marshal gives a photograph of a Pakistani Chinese drill of PHL-03 in 2019. So this is what Pakistan indulges in, and that is why you must not, whatever Pakistan is saying, don't even take it with a pinch of salt. Rely on what our foreign ministry is saying, our official spokesperson are saying.
उधर दिल्ली से बड़ी खबर इस वक्त ये आ रही है। बटला हाउस